But when you look, Rob, at Arista Networks, we have that in the momentum basket as well, down 10.5% over a week. You stepped in and bought that.
We did. I mean, they make essential networking hardware, software that connects GPUs and servers, allows for more efficient compute. They're highly regarded for their AI networking in particular. Main customer base is the hyperscalers, which we continue to get good news around. There's not any indication that they're reducing CapEx. And, you know, it now trades at a 37 times forward PE. Rich for us, but it's down from 50 earlier this year. These are not staggering numbers. It would be the equivalent of Josh taking advantage of the opportunity in CrowdStrike when it, you know, when it re-rated, right? Great business, dominant in that space.
That's what Malcolm did.
Malcolm
did.
too.
Right? You doubled down on that position during the CrowdStrike pullback.
I thought that sell-off was absolutely short-sighted, and thankfully the market rewarded me for it. Here's the thing you need to know, the only thing you need to know about CrowdStrike as an investor. For the last 2 years, George Kurtz has been getting on earnings calls and basically saying we have a gross profit margin of roughly 0%, but we also know that that's because we're reinvesting in growth as aggressively as we possibly can, and we have levers that we could pull to get that number to about 30% if we really wanted to. Well, last summer, it became showtime, right? So rather than reinvesting all those dollars in growth, you have to believe they had to turn on the growth engine to really show where that profit's going to come from, and that's what's been happening for the last couple of quarters, and I expect that to continue happening for the next year or two in CrowdStrike.